Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to create a video clip on a Windows 10 computer. Feel free to use this guide if you wish to try making your very first video clip using your laptop or desktop that runs on a Windows 10 OS. Capturing video of your screen activity in Windows 10 is typically challenging, but Microsoft makes it easier by providing a built-in video capture tool called GameBar. GameBar was originally schemed to record games played directly on a Windows laptop or desktop, including those that are streamed from an Xbox One. It is also capable of capturing video of screen activity from a web browser, Windows app, or other installed programs on the computer. All recorded screens are saved as an MP4 video file, which can be played in various audio platforms that support same video format. Before you proceed, verify and ensure that GameBar is enabled on your computer. For you to check, just go to Settings, Gaming, GameBar menu, and then turn on the switch to record game clips, screenshots, and broadcast using GameBar. When GameBar is enabled, you can start recording your video clip. Just open what you wish to record, and then press the Win and G keys simultaneously. The GameBar program will open. Here, you can see several GameBar widgets that pop up with opens for capturing screenshots, audio, and video controls. There is also a pane that shows the name of your current app, file, or window as the source for the video capture. To take a simple screenshot, just click the camera icon. To capture your screen activity, hit the Start Recording button instead. GameBar will ask your permission if this is the first time you choose to record screen activity from a specific app or window. If this happens, just check the Enable Gaming features for this app to record gameplay. Then, click the Start Recording button again to start the video capture. By then, you can perform whatever screen actions you'd like to capture. While the recording is in progress, the GameBar widgets disappear and replaced by a small floating bar in the top right corner of the screen through which you can control the recording. To end the recording, just click the recording button on the floating bar. The recording then stops and a notification appears, telling you that the game clip was recorded successfully. To open the location wherein the recording was saved, click the notification. The File Explorer will then launch and route you to the specified location. To play your recording in its associated application, just double-click the video file. You can also change the default location and create a dedicated directory to save your recordings. Just go to Settings, Gaming, Captures menu, and click the Open Folder button. Finally, choose the folder where you want your GameBar video recordings to be saved. If you want to record another better video clip, just follow the same steps and explore other GameBar controls available. And that's it. If you found this content useful, please help our channel grow by clicking the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon. Your subscription will be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching and keep safe.